morning, everyone. Happy Easter, happy holiday to all my fans and followers. This morning I'll be making AGEGE bread. I've got the flour there, I've got my butter there. Here I've got 1.5 kg of flour, 1 cup of sugar. I've also got 1 tablespoon of yeast all added into it, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be making AGEGE bread soon, so just stay in touch. I'm a coffee lover. For those that know me, I can't do without my coffee in the morning. To get me started, I need to make some lovely coffee and add some milk. Yeah, so we'll get the ball rolling soon. Alright, so some essentials you're gonna need if you want to make AGEGE bread. I've got my pan there, as you can see, which of course I'm going to use. Before using this, make sure you oil it with either butter or sunflower oil. You know, use some tissue to just put some oil around it so your dough does not stick into it, and we're then gonna cover it. Okay, this is the cover. So now I'm just gonna apply my butter. I've just melted the butter, and that's 200 ml of butter and a bit of water, and I'm then gonna mix. Okay, so just mix. So you got your butter, your sugar, your salt, your yeast, everything, and just, you know, mix. Alright guys, after mixing your butter, this is where you want to add, you want to knead it on your work surface. Okay, so knead it on your work surface. You have to put some flour there, put some flour on your hand, and put some flour on your rolling pin. Now if you don't have this kind of rolling pin, I think you need to invest in a rolling pin like this, or I think I have another one. And if you don't have something like this, you can use this, but make sure you put flour or else it's going to be sticky. So this is what I've got here. Now you can see my dough. So I'm going to be working on this dough. Can you see how elastic it is? Right, that's exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for an elastic dough for your AGEGE bread. So I'm going to be mixing this. I'm going to be kneading this for the next 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, because I'm using the manual. But again, if you have the machine, please use the machine. Okay, so it's very interesting, good exercise. You know, develop your biceps and your muscles. All right, so I'm just going to be rolling that like this. All right, I'm going to be using this one, or I want to use this one. It's again very good. So put some flour on it, a little bit of flour, that helps your movement. All right, you can see that, which is very good. Again, you just need to make that very smooth, because that's what we want to achieve with this dough, really. Okay, just turn it again. You have to work on this for 20 minutes. All right. Again, the combination of what have I got here, you might be asking, what have I got here? What have I mixed to add to get to this point? I've got 1.5 kilo of flour. You can use the bread flour or the plain flour, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's just the amount of protein difference, it's just 1.something kilo. So yeah, you use the bread flour. In this case I used 1.5 kilo of bread flour, and I used 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is like 15 ml of yeast. I also used 250 grams of butter. I used 1/4 of salt. The amount of water I use is 700 ml. All right, so 700 ml of water for 1.5 kilograms of flour. I also added salt and sugar as well. So I added 1 cup of sugar, which is 250 grams or 250 ml. But you can add more sugar if you want it to be really sweet. You can add 500 sugar, it doesn't really matter. It's even actually sugar and yeast, they all work together. So people do add egg, but we don't add egg in Nigeria. I think Ghanaians or whatever, they do add egg, but we don't add egg in Nigeria. But again, the purpose of egg, if you can, is just to increase the amount of protein in the yeast, in the wheat, to make it more elastic, and the gluten. All right, so that's why they add egg, or they add soya bean. All right, all this AGEGE bread that they sell in London, they add soya bean. So again, we talk about bread improver. What bread improver do you use? Don't use bromate, it's very dangerous. You can use ASCORBIC acid, which is vitamin C, but I'm not using vitamin C because the wheat I'm using is very good. All right, so I don't need any bread improver, or, you know, in this case. But we see the result, we see how it goes. You know, it's going to be a very interesting exercise. Please, if you know you don't have the muscles, just invest in a dough mixer. It's going to be quite good for you. Invest in a dough mixer, and yeah, that's the result of what we're looking for. So I'm going to be kneading this for 20 minutes. All right, 20 good minutes. Interesting. Because it's really going smooth. Okay, it's not even sticky. The combination of the butter in there is doing a good job, you see. So that's exactly what you want. All right, just gonna be doing that for the next 20 minutes, making sure that all the gluten and they're all done properly. You can work on it, and again, you can use your hands if you want to use your hands. Okay, you don't have to use that if you don't want to use it. So watch me. You can see. See, just neat. Just pull it front, pull it backwards. Get this thing worked out. It's interesting, and yeah. That's it. Put some flour there again. Okay, and just work the thing out. Seriously, it needs serious working. All right, we're going to be working that out. I'm going to be using my pin as well, just to make sure that it's all smooth. In Nigeria, they use the machine. A lot of people don't know that my mom had a bakery in Nigeria in the 90s, early 90s, and I could remember working with those bakers then. I know if she's watching this, she's going to be proud of her son. Nicola Wale. She had a bakery, yeah. We ran the bakery for like 4 years. And she got pregnant. Her baby girl, Osayo. So I had to manage the bakery with the chief baker. In the midnight, we just cook. Oh my God, those days, man. Those days were interesting. Interesting days. Anyway, we're getting there. Work on the dough. Keep working. 20 minutes. I'm just gonna check now to see. We're just gonna check to see if it's double in size. Okay. Wow, you can see. So this is ready to go to the oven now. So you can see it's double in size. I'm just gonna cover that and take it to the oven. Yeah, the bread has been cooking for 15 minutes now at 150 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. So we're just gonna bring that out of the oven now and just turn that off. And yeah, just let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna open it. Right, so it's been over 5 minutes now, so I'm just going to show you the results of the bread. Wow, that's what it looks like. As you can see, looking beautiful. I'm going to turn it over in a minute, and you're going to see the back and front. I'm sure you're going to like it. All right, so this AGEGE bread ready. Just going to see if I can just turn it. Wow, just look at that. Just look at that. This is beautiful. Can you see your AGEGE bread? Let me turn it all the way around. Can you see how nice is it? Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to break the bread into two so you can actually see what the AGEGE bread. Can you hear the sound? That's quite heavy. So I'm just going to break it into two, and you can see what exactly we're talking about here. Wow, fluffy. Can you see? Thank you so much.